What's up guys? We're gonna turn this Beta 300 into a big wheel. Let's get into it. It's time to get this bike back together. Our billet swing arm assembly looks killer in all black. Super excited for it. We're trying to match OEM. So from OEM, from Beta, they had the polished looking hubs with the black wheels. So we're gonna copy that. And they also had the black triples and the black swing arm. We're also gonna reuse the sprocket that came on the bike. It's gonna look killer on our sprocket adapter. Pretty cool setup. So let's get the time-lapse mode, start getting this bike assembled. Right here you can see the difference in the axle diameter. So the one on the left is actually our brake and axle setup. The one on the right is the Beta axle. So clearly they did this on the bike to save weight, but we go with an oversized rear axle on all of our big wheel kits. All right guys, little tip, when we're putting our kit together, we always obviously say to Loctite everything. More importantly, clean your bolts. You can see some of the grease that came off. Now if there is grease on there, it's not going to stick too well. I also recommend cleaning the threads on the hub. Make sure there's no oil. Sometimes we have leftover machining oil, so I always go through and clean all that out before we assemble the bikes. Same thing with these, clean those up too, just to be safe. A little Loctite action. It has some really nice hardware. We're gonna go ahead and reuse it. This is a brand new bike. There's some nice locking nuts. We're also gonna add some red Loctite on here, just to be safe. Right here you can see our anti-vibe handlebar mounts. So we have a bushing top and bottom. I also machine these bar mounts so you can rotate them forward or back to actually offset your handlebar, again forward or back. Guys, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you and I appreciate it. So obviously, as you guys can see, we now have a big wheel kit for the new Beta 300 and a few other Beta models that these components will actually bolt onto. Now, we're super pumped on this build because we actually dealt with Beta USA directly. So I'm hoping we can actually continue this relationship in the future and offer you guys some more of these bikes. Comment below if you have ridden one. I'm just kind of curious to get a feeler from you guys on what you guys think. Enough chit chatting. Let's start this bad boy up. Let's see how it sounds. This bike is so sick. I think I gotta buy one for myself. All right guys, if you made it this far again, I just want to say thank you for all the support. If you want any info on this, over to bbcbigwheels.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really does help us out and get these videos out there. We'll see you guys in the next one. We got to get some BBC hats, but shout out to Price Designs. Check out his wheels. He built some cool shit.